You have a fishy? Where is it? Yeah,
It's
I'll look at it. Sure.
You're taking pictures?
I am.
You're taking pictures of fish?
I am.
Hey, you can take a picture of this one.
Where is it? Be careful, guys.
Right here.
Where is he? What kind of fish is that?
Jack.
What's a jack?
Too heavy. It's too heavy.
It's too heavy?
Yeah. Big.
And his name is Jack? Yep, I got him.
Can I see? Can I see?
Sure. Here, look at your brother's face. Now you go around there and he can look at your face.
Yep.
See, now you go over there. Now you look at his face.
Is
that dirty water helping?
Gotta be. We've been here very long.
How many did you get so far?
4.
How long you been down here?